Hey guys, we're gonna do some patty melts tonight. We're gonna do them quick. I gotta hurry up before it starts raining again. It's been raining past 3 hours. So let's get it done. I gotta go cut up some onions and stuff, and we'll be right back. All right, first thing we're gonna do, get some onions on there. Spread them out. So we're gonna caramelize these guys and get them ready for the burgers. So while those are going, get the patties on there. And I'm making just a couple circles as well. Had some extra. So I'll smush these down nice. I've got all the burners at about medium heat. So I'm going to try to hurry up these onions so we're not waiting for them. This guy's off over here. I'm going to put a little Worcestershire sauce. And a little Dijon. And then we'll mix them up a little bit. A little steam going. Salt and pepper. This pepper sure does come out slow. And a little garlic. All right, we're going fast and hot. So these are doing well. Onions are doing well. Nice and soft. Getting all over my spatula. There's some more water in there with them. Gonna grab these off. All right, so let's make some toast. I was waiting for the butter to melt. I had it melted earlier, but I melted it too well and it burnt. So now it's just about melted in there. This thing's pretty cool. Turn these guys to about low medium. All right, so while these are toasting, move these guys back out. I had this guy off for a little bit while I was waiting for the butter to melt. Didn't want him to get overcooked. And we're just using sharp cheddar. I'll throw this down here. So I got a couple small guys there for fun. That's fun. I'm gonna make these super drippy, so I'm gonna put 2 on each. All right, now we're grabbing the giant dome. See how this toast's coming up? There we go, look at that. All right, let's build some sandwiches. So, let me flip a couple of these back. Let's make this one first. All right, so we're gonna put one of these on there. Some of these onions. And this guy, woo, he's hot. Let me make a couple of these and we're right back. All right, so now we got some burgers made here. This guy I was trying to get fancy and make a double with the smaller guy. But let's get the crusher. This one's falling apart a little bit. I'm gonna see what's happening. Yeah, this is gonna be its own little monster. Those two were funny looking. All right. I don't know what we're doing with this guy. We're gonna try to put him back on. We won't smush him down as much. It's gonna be somebody's fancy burger. These are about done. All right, let's go, we'll cut into them. All right guys, before I clean this, I wanna show you what we made. It's pretty cheesy. Mmm. Hot. Sorry. I'm out. All right, so I'm back. So these turned out great. I didn't want onions on mine. I made a couple with onions, you saw. But these are an easy thing to do, especially if you get your butter melted all ahead of time. Or you can just spread butter on the bread. You don't have to do it fancy. So, all right, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna clean, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.